This is Emhape Tech with new video. HMD Global, the Nokia owners, announced their flagship device for 2018. Meet the Nokia 8 Sirocco, a redesigned version of 2017's Nokia 8. With a sleek stainless steel frame that HMD says is up to 2.5 stronger than the Nokia 8's aluminum and a curved glass finish, it's no doubt. The Sirocco looks pretty good. Let's see what else is on display. The Nokia 8 Sirocco runs Android 8.0 Oreo, is powered by the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 SoC and features 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. The display is a 5.5-inch POLED affair with 3D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a QHD resolution, 1440 by 2560 pixels. Flip it and you'll find on the back a 12MP camera with a wide-angle sensor and f/1.75, alongside the 13MP camera with f/2.6 aperture and 2x optical zoom. Even better, the dual camera on the back features dual-tone LED flash and Zeiss optics. When it comes to selfies, the Nokia 8 Sirocco brings to the table a 5MP camera with a fixed focus lens and f/2.0 aperture. There's 128 GB of available storage that doesn't seem to extend via microSD and a 3260 mAh battery capacity. As with all flagship titles this year, the phone also features a fingerprint sensor. How much is the whole package, you ask? The Nokia 8 Sirocco has a price tag of €749 and will go on sale in early April. If you're looking for a cheaper option, here's what the Nokia 7 Plus and Nokia 6 2018 have to offer. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.